Wanna make some of the most exquisite Pizza Hut's garlic knot recipe right in your home? Check out the video for all the information and guidance for this delicious recipe. You are going to need a pack of biscuit dough, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, garlic powder, mozzarella cheese, Italian seasoning, butter and parsley. Initially, take a bowl, add melted butter to it along with olive oil, Italian seasoning, parsley, garlic powder and Parmesan cheese. Mix everything nicely to form a concoction. This mixture will be used to brush garlic knots later on. Make small and round balls of the biscuit dough. Spread it out with the help of a rolling pin. On top of it, add small mozzarella cheese cube and tuck them nicely by folding and pinching to form a knot. Now take the previously prepared garlic butter concoction and brush it on the knots. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for approximately 2 minutes. Later, bake these garlic knots at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 to 20 minutes. If you wish to make the garlic knots taste even better, toss the garlic knots in a bowl containing the rest of the garlic mixture. Your Pizza Hut's garlic knots is ready. Happy cooking! See you in the next video.